Check out 2016 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power lift gate, traction control, dual airbags, Bluetooth, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.